In the field of financial planning, there is a universal AC corporate principle that it's critical to pay yourself first before you pay your others bill. To think for yourself as a creditor. The returns of this financial wisdom is that if you wait to put money into saving until after everybody else is paid, there will be nothing left for you. The result is that you will keep postponing your saving plan until it's too late to do anything about it. But lo and behold, if you pay yourself first, somehow there will be just enough to pay everyone else too. The identical principle is critical to implement into your program of spiritual practice. If you wait until all your chores, responsibilities, and everything else is done before you get started, it will never happen. Granted, I have found that scheduling a little time each day as if it were an actual appointment is the only way of ensure that you will take some time for yourself. You might become an early riser, for example, and schedule 1 hour that is reserved for reading, playing, reflecting, meditation, yoga, exercise, or however you want to use the time. How you choose to use the time is up to you. The important thing is that you do schedule the time and that's you stick to it. I had a client who actually hired a babysitter on a regular basis to ensure that she had the chance to do the things she needed to do. Today, more than 1 year later, her effect have paid in morals dividends. She happier than she ever thought possible. She told me that there was a time that she never would have imagined hiring a babysitter to ensure this type of quality time for herself. Now that she has done it, she can't imagine not doing it. If you set your mind to it, you can find the time you need.